In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Xero organization step by step. If you're looking to remove an organization from your Xero account, maybe because it's no longer active or you've moved to a different platform, this guide will take you through everything you need to do. It's important to note that once you cancel the subscription, it will stop billing you, but your data will remain accessible for a period according to Xero's policies. So make sure you've backed up any information you might need before proceeding. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Xero login page. You can simply head over to your web browser and type in the Xero website address. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be brought to the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your finances. Now take a look at the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon right there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you're going to want to select Account. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Xero account. Next, from the account settings, find and click on Subscriptions. This section shows you all the active subscriptions tied to your Xero account. It's where you'll be able to manage or make changes to your plan, scroll through if you need to, and spot the specific subscription for the organization you intend to delete. When you found it, you'll notice a small icon featuring 3 dots along the side of the subscription panel. Clicking those 3 dots will reveal a few options. Here, you will want to click on Cancel Subscription. Doing this will initiate the cancellation process for this particular organization's subscription. As a necessary next step, Xero will ask you to choose a reason for canceling the subscription. This is usually for their records and to help them improve their services. Select the most appropriate reason from the list provided that suits your situation. After selecting a reason, you'll be prompted to confirm the cancellation. This final confirmation step ensures that you don't accidentally remove services you still wish to keep. Double check that everything is correct, and when you're ready, click on Confirm Cancellation. And that's it! You've successfully deleted the organization from your Xero account. Remember, even after cancellation, you might have access to your data for a limited time, so take advantage of that time if needed. Thank you for following along, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials to help you navigate Xero's various features with ease.